Hey guys, and welcome back to another Tech Galaxy video here. This is Faisal, and today we are going to be talking about the iPhone 16. So let's get started. So as you guys probably know, the iPhone 15 series came on September 12th last year. Um, with it going on sale a week later on September 22. So Apple has usually tended to release new iPhones during September, except that COVID year. So the iPhone 16 series are expected to be revealed sometime before September 3 and September 11. So we literally have like 2-3 weeks left until the iPhone 16 series come. So now let's talk about the price. The official price of the iPhone 16 series has still not been released. But it's likely that the price will be it's likely that the entry level model will start at $800, and as you know, the Pro will be $1,000. $1,000. Even though the possibilities of an iPhone 16 Ultra has been mentioned, which they think would cost like $1,200, Apple is expected to stay with the same lineup. A Plus version, 2 Pro editions, Pro Max, and regular iPhone 16. I think there's not much difference, but between the between 16 Pro, 16 Plus, it's basically same. It's not worth spending more money on other, because feature stuff are pretty much same, some differences, but yes. So now let's talk about the iPhone 16 display sizes and screen tech. So as you know, there are rumors which are saying that the iPhone 16 Pro will have a 16.3-inch display, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max will have a 6.9-inch screen display. So this is around like 0.2 inches larger than like the 14 Pro Max, or sorry, 15 Pro Max. And the iPhone 16 Pro, so yes. So the iPhone 16 is expected to be taller, wider, and the iPhone 16 models will have OLED display that have been enhanced for greater power efficiency, utilizing advanced materials, incorporating micro lens technology into the OLED panels of the iPhone 16. And this could offer enhanced brightness and decreased power usage. So now let's talk about the colors. So the expected colors for are black, white, or silver, gray, rose. The design. So the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus have new buttons and a camera that is placed up and down. The iPhone 16 Pro has better screen edges, bigger screens, improved inside parts, and better heat control. So basically, if your phone gets too hot or something, and the new iPhone 16 Pro will probably keep the strong titanium frame for the old iPhones. So basically, the camera of this phone is going to be better. There's going to be a new button, so cool. And also, when your phone gets heated up, there's better. When your iPhone gets too much heated up, there's better heat control in the iPhone 16 series. So yes, the iPhone 16 the new iPhone 16 series will have really small borders around the screen. Thanks to the BRS technology, the iPhone 16 Pro will have borders that are 1.2 millimeters thick, which is thinner. So basically, this phone is expected to be thinner than the iPhone 15, 14 Pro models. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will have even thinner borders at 1.15 millimeters, making it look really sleek and stylish. um so Apple has come up with new technology called BLS to make the bottom part of the devices smaller, and this was tricky because making it smaller could make the device get like too hot. But with BLS, they use copper wires to manage the heat so the device stays cool. So basically, as you know, BLS is good for heat control. As it says in the article, BLS uses copper wire to reduce heat control. So BLS is great for heat control. So your phone does not get too much heated. It's not good for your phone to get too much heated. So now let's talk about the battery. So the iPhone 16, it can have a special kind of battery. The new iPhone 16 might have a stronger battery that can last longer. As you know, all new phones have a better battery. Samsung phones also have good battery. The new iPhone 16 might have a stronger battery that can last longer, but not all versions will have this. Apple will need to make it easier for people to change the batteries, so they are thinking of using metal instead of foil to make it easier to replace the battery in at least one model. And this is something that is usually found in like electric cars, metal devices, but it's new for phones. So basically what they're saying here is that they are trying to install these kinds of batteries. They are found in electric cars and stuff. So they are thinking, we are not saying this is 100%, this is just rumors. They are thinking to put that same kind of battery in phones too. So that's cool. And the new iPhones might also charge really quick. It'll have like a high speed charger or something. So yes. So now let's talk about some of the iPhone 16 features and softwares. So in the new iPhone 16 Pro, the camera will be very good at taking pictures even in dark places. So I agree. I think that the iPhone 16 series, it will have a better camera. The camera will be great for taking pictures. The newer the phone is, the better it's at taking pictures. So it will also use special technology to combine information from different pixels to make the pictures even look better. Talking about the camera position, a new trend picture shows what the back of an iPhone 16 might look like with the cameras arranged up and down. So I don't know if you've seen that picture, but like there are pictures coming out about iPhone 16. The cameras are supposed to be up and down instead of like side to side. I think it's better camera. And some other leaked pictures of phone cases also show the same design. The new iPhone 16 Pro Max will have a really great camera with 48 megapixel sensor and a special lens made of glass and plastic. The other cameras on the phone will also be improved. There might be a better zoom features on the phones in the future. The new iPhone 16 will have a camera that is up and down, just like the iPhone 12. And this is easier to like take pictures and stuff basically. So Apple announced that Apple announced in the new software update that there will be iOS 18 in the iPhone 16 series. iOS 18 is great. Some cool things to look forward are to a new Photos app, new ways to customize home screen, new ways to maps, and improvements to maps, notes, and other apps. And artificial intelligence. Okay, so as you know, AI is basically here. So artificial intelligence is a special technology that Apple uses to make their device smarter. In the next software update, this feature will be important, but it will only work on certain phones that have a special chip called A17 or newer. It's likely that all 4 new models of the iPhone 16 will have this chip, and these phones will be very good at using AI to do those cool things. The new iPhone 16 has cool features like better lighting and photo editing, and has a smarter series. So now let me share some of my own thoughts. So I would say iPhone 16 is great. Great. It has new cool features, but let me be honest. The iPhone 15 is also great, but in the iPhone 16 series, whether you buy just iPhone 16 regular, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, or Pro Max, there's really not much difference. I would say that the prices have not come out, but I'm anticipating that the Pro Max will have the highest price and the iPhone 16 regular will have the lowest price. So I basically think that you should go for the iPhone 16 regular. You should go for the iPhone 16 regular because there are not going to be much differences. But yes, the iPhone 16 series, whatever phone you buy, it'll be bigger, better, and yes. So we are looking. So in less than just a few weeks, we will see this new series come out. So please let me know your thoughts and stuff. And I will also make a iPhone 16 review once the iPhone 16 comes out. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in another Tech Galaxy video. Good.